So today I'm going to show you how I make my fried cabbage. Okay, so well, my version of fried cabbage. So first you're gonna need cabbage. We're gonna need onions, red pepper, green pepper. It's called a vegetable recipe mix. That's kind of like a seasoning onion-ish for to make the cabbage. This is better than bouillon. It's just in a jar. So, and we're gonna need salt, Himalayan salt. That's my preference. That's what I use, but you can use whichever. I'm gonna use the all-purpose Greek seasoning, the Creole seasoning. The reason why I use Creole seasoning is because I don't have the Cajun seasoning. I've been looking for it. I can't find it. Usually I get it at Sam's Club, but I can't find it. So I'm going to use that, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, not too much. Okay, and some garlic onion spice blend, and also just a little bit of a double seasoning. Okay, of course I'm going to use my spice, which I make. I have a video up for that. You can check my video. Yep, it's definitely ready. It's ready.